Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For some people, earning money is getting hard. They do not have the idea how they can spend less and save more for difficult times. In this video, I will tell you about some income hacks that will help you to understand your money and the procedure for spending it. Make sure you see this video till the end so you can get knowledge about everything. Share this video with your friends and family because the video covers every possibility that you need to adapt for better spending quality. So, get ready, and let's not waste time and look at what we have for today's video. Number 1. Plan your weekly meals. Humans earn money to fulfill their basic needs. One of the essential needs is to have a good meal. It is a daily problem that people do not know what they want to cook. They start thinking for the whole day and end up having dinner at a restaurant. They do not understand that they spend much money on food, mainly when they belong to a large family. You can solve this problem and save money by planning your weekly meal. You can take a journal or a notepad to write the list. Mix it up with meat, fish, vegetables, and something fancy to cook. It depends wholly on your diet. Once you have the meal planner, you will not have to worry about cooking or eating junk food. Number 2. Create a monthly budget. A budget is everything that you need to spend less income and save more for the future. When you make a list and designate a fixed amount for everything, spending money becomes easy. You have to follow the main steps to create a budget. Take a diary and write down the essential spending such as bills, rents, and debts first. Secondly, make a list of grocery items along with the prices. So, moving on to other things, mark the money you need if you have an occasion such as a birthday party, a get-together, or any other celebration. Then, you will be able to get some money for emergencies and save them in your account. In this way, you can save your income from unplanned spending. Number 3. Do groceries together. Doing all the groceries together is necessary when it comes to taking care of your income. Most people do not care about this point. They never make a list and shop all the items at a single time. They think it is easy, time-saving, and income-saving to buy something for the kitchen only when they require it. That is wrong. This month, do a mini experiment. Go to a store and purchase some vitals together. Now, go to other marts and buy the same items separately. Once you have shopped everything, it is time to check the receipts. You will notice a change in the prices and amounts of the items. And, you will also observe that buying everything together is cheap than that separate shopping. As a result, I will advise you that next time, buy all the necessary items for your kitchen once and from the same place. Number 4. Do not spend all the bonus. What is the moment of genuine happiness for you? It is when you get a raise or some bonus amount of money from your work. I believe that feeling is startling for every person. But, you do not have to spend all the money on celebrations. You can go out for a simple dinner and put the rest of the income in the bank account. Think about it. You can use this part of the money in emergencies. In other words, the prize you got is a bonus for your savings. And, you will get much happy without spending the money. Number 5. A no spending day. Have you ever thought about a day when you do not spend any money? Give yourself a challenge that you will not pay out any money on for one day. It seems impossible, but you can have a day without using a single penny. But it is not difficult. You can stay at your home and cook a meal for yourself. Also, you can make the meal by using the food items you already have in your kitchen. Then, you can lessen the use of electricity. Well, you can do that by not watching television and reading a book. Think and observe about yourself that either you can complete a day challenge or not. You can also try a challenge of 1 month no spending where you will budget yourself, and you will not spend more money than the fixed amount. Number 6. Monitor the sales. When you have to go shopping, it is better to look at the sales first. Maybe you can find an astonishing piece without spending a lot of money on it. For this purpose, you can do online shopping. Many websites on the internet can have the items you want. The best part is that you can check out the sales and compare the prices with other websites. Also, there is a possibility that you get something more incredible than the thing you were looking for, and in the same or less price. It is a huge advantage of doing online shopping. You can monitor the sale and manage to get what you want without going anywhere. So, let me know in the comment section, do you love to shop online or prefer to go to the market? Number 7. Make a list. If you want to manage your money and income, then make this point your habit. Before going to shop for anything, make a list. That list will consist of all the things you want to purchase. Many women went to buy goods without making a list and spend more money on the items they do not require. When a person makes a complete checklist about what he wants, it is easy for him to spend less. He will use an easy process to purchase goods. If you do not have a list to mark the items, you will forget what you want and end up buying different useless things. You can stick to a note, check everything you purchased and get straight to your house without spending more money. Number 8. Shop locally. People run behind brands, especially women. They think that a brand with a famous name will only give them quality items. But it is not correct. If you want to spend money like water, you can shop for everything from the branded shops. But if you are looking for ways to save money for the future, you should shop locally. Many local shops serve quality products. You just have to take some time and look for a shop to check over good quality things that they are giving to the customers. Number 9. Stop spending on useless things. If a woman is watching this video, she will agree with me. When you want to buy something, your heart will love to see some other things and your brain will make you purchase those things. Maybe you do not need them, but you will buy them. It is because you love to purchase something for your home. It is hard to stop yourself from buying useless things. But guess what? It is not impossible. If you have much money in your account, go for it and purchase whatever your heart says. But, for a better future, purchase only the things you want. Believe me, you will regret nothing if you adopt this way of shopping. Number 10. Educate yourself about finances. If you do not know finances, you cannot help yourself with income. To solve any problem, you need to learn the solution. It is the same when you are dealing with money in daily life. You should read articles and look at the videos to learn that how you can make a perfect budget that will work for your family. Never forget to take the receipts and compare them every time you shop for something. Start by making small budgets and challenge yourself to spend days without using income. It will help you to save your income and spend in a good way. It was all for today. I hope you found this video helpful and, if you did, make sure you hit the like button. Comment below if you think I missed anything. If you are new, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. I will come back with another informational video soon. Till then, stay blessed and goodbye.